Heart is a vital organ of circulatory system. It lies in the chest cavity between the lungs toward the left side. It is a conical muscular structure which pumps blood for its circulation. Heart is a four-chambered in humans. Two upper chambers are called atria, singular atrium. They receive blood from large veins. The two lower chambers are the left and right ventricle. They transport blood to lungs and the entire body. These chambers are separated by a partition called septa. Between left atrium and left ventricles are valves, and so are valves between right atrium and right ventricle. Valves permit the flow of blood from atrium to ventricle and not in the reverse order. Heart is made up of special muscular cells called cardiac muscle fiber, about which you have learned in earlier classes. The heart of a person beats all the time throughout its lifetime. The beats of heart are felt due to the rhythmically contraction and relaxation of heart muscles. Heart muscles keep on working all the time without fatigue. The division of heart into four chambers prevent the mixing of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. The chamber of heart are named as auricles, atria, and ventricles, ventria. Auricles are smaller in size and have thin wall. Ventricles are larger and have thick wall. The number of walls are also separate in the heart to regulate the flow of blood in heart. These are tricuspid valve which guard the opening of right auricle into right ventricle. It has three flaps. Bicuspid valve which guard the opening of left auricle into left ventricle. It has two flaps. Semilunar valve, pulmonary valve which regulate the opening of right ventricle into pulmonary arc. Semilunar aortic valve which occur between left ventricle and blood vessels. Blood transport the required substances to various organs of the body. Blood flow inside tubular structures called blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three kinds: arteries, veins, and blood capillaries. Arteries are the thick-walled blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from heart to various organs of the body. The pumping activity of heart produces jerk in the artery during blood flow. As blood enters into the artery, it expands. When blood flow out of artery, it contracts. The wall of arteries are elastic to permit such expansion and contraction. Arteries have a narrow lumen and are deeply seated in the body. The pulse is felt with the help of some arteries which are not deeply seated. Veins are thin-walled blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from various body parts to the heart. Blood flows smoothly without any jerk and slowly inside the veins. Veins have a wide lumen as compared to arteries. Wall of veins are not elastic as that of arteries. Capillaries are thinnest blood vessels, it about 4 to 10 mm thick. These have a single layered wall and form a mesh or network inside body organs. Capillaries occur at the terminal of arteries and veins. Walls of capillaries have extremely small pores through which exchanges of food material, gas, and waste. The impure blood that contain carbon dioxide from different parts of body enters the right auricle and is sent to the right ventricle. From here, the blood is pumped through the pulmonary artery to the lungs for reoxygenation. In the lungs, this blood gives carbon dioxide and absorbs oxygen from the inhaled air. This oxygenated blood returns to the left auricle through pulmonary vein and then enter the left ventricle. From here, the blood is pumped through aorta to different parts of body. As the blood passes through the capillaries, oxygen and other nutrients are delivered to the cells. and carbon dioxide and the other wastes are picked up by the blood. This deoxygenated blood goes back to the right auricle.